auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, a very good morning to all of you. Saint Mary English Medium High School, honor and privilege to welcome you all on this beautiful Friday morning, when the heaven is showering its blessing of honor. Sant Kabir said, if I had to face God and Guru, I will greet my Guru first, because the Guru is the person who told me who is the God and the path of the God. Guru Purnima has a very special place in our heart, because we feel privileged that we got an opportunity to display our affection, devotion and respect towards our Guru. Guru Purnima is a celebration of Guru-Shishya bond. Now with this noble talk, I would like to request Ms. Purva Bagul and Ms. Riya for the prayer and mark the beginning of the program.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। अटविटपि समीते भूमिभागे निषन्नम् सकलमुनि जनानां ज्ञानदातारमार त्रिभुवन गुरुमीशं दक्षिणामूर्तिदेवं जन्म मरण दुःखच्छेददक्षं नमामि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Thank you, dear friends. As we all know, dance is the most divine form of art. It is much more than moving our hands and legs. So here comes Miss Shravani Patil to express her gratitude towards our loving Gurus with a dance. परफॉर्मेंस। आइए चले अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर, पृथ्वी से आकाश की ओर, प्रभात से सूक्ष्म की ओर, प्राणी से परमात्मा की ओर, एक प्रयास अज्ञान से ज्ञान की ओर। Now I request my dear friends to please light the lamp to spread a positivity in today's program.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते.
Thank you, dear friends. Now I request Ms. Nihal Panjari to proceed the program. Thank you.
थैंक यू काव्य. तुमने सिखाया उंगली पकड़कर हमें चलना. तुमने बताया कैसे गिरने के बाद संभलना. तुम्हारी वजह से आज हम पहुंचे इस मुकाम पे. गुरु पूर्णिमा के दिन करते हैं आभार प्रणाम से. These lines are for our first guru who molded our personality. These are none other than our parents. Now, I would like to request our school students to worship their parents by greeting them.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः.
Thank you, dear friends. Sanskrit language is the oldest and the richest language in the history of mankind. It has been always regarded as the sacred language of Hindu religion. Now, I would like to call Miss Hetal Patil from Standard 6 to tell us about Guru Purnima.
ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. नमो नमः. अद्य गुरुपूर्णिमायाः अति पवित्र दिने अहं हेतल घनश्याम पाटिलं सर्वेषां आदरणीय उत्तम गुरुजनां चरणां कोटि नमस्काराः करोमि. प्राचीनकालात् आरभ्य वर्तमानकालपर्यन्तं गुरुजनानाम् अधिक महत्त्वं वर्तते. गुरुदेवो अस्माकं मार्गदर्शके कृत्वा आध्यात्मिकता तथा च मोक्षप्राप्त्याः मार्गे नयते. गुरुदेवस्य कृपया एवं अस्माकं विद्याप्राप्तिः जायते. मातापिता अस्माकं प्रथमगुरुः स्तः अस्माकं द्वितीयगुरु विद्यानयस्य शिक्षागृह तथा च आचार्यं विनयफलशुश्रूषा गुरुशुश्रूषा फलश्रुतज्ञानं ज्ञानस्य फलविरति विरतिफलचाश्रवनिरोध. ओम मृत्युंजयाय रुद्राय नीलकंठाय शंभवे अमृतेशाय सर्वाय महादेवाय ते नमो. अच्युतं केशं विष्णुहरिं सत्यं जनार्दन हंस नारायण श्वेतनामष्टकं शुभं क्लेशनाशाय दुःखनाशाय माधव श्रीहरि पापनाशाय गोविंद मोक्षदायकं. ज्ञानमूलं गुरुं मूर्तिं पूजामूलं गुरुं पदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुं वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुं कृपा. गुरुवाक्य सदा सत्य सत्यम एकम परम पद. गुरु पूर्णिमा यहाँ अति शुभ दिन. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, dear friend, for your great words. Now, I would like to call upon Master Premanshu Patil and Master Athar Patil to cherish our souls by chanting a Guru wishing short song.
खुशियाँ है बाहें फैलाए आशाओं के बादल छाए कोई उम्मीद है जिंदगी है एक धरती का आंचल ओढ़े, दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े, पाते जहां में अपनी खुशी रे, बस प्रीत की रीत सिखाते हुए झिलमिलाते हैं पर्दों पे हम, जिनमें तारों की ज्योति जगाते हुए आजा मिलके हम तुम ये कहे, गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन.
How cultivating! Thank you, dear little friends, for your melodious voices. It is said that music is the best way to express our inner feelings. Here, a school student, Miss Manasi Borse from Standard 8, coming to play a Guru wishing song. We love you teachers on harmonium.
Happy Guru Purnima to all teachers. Hi, myself Manasi Surendra Bose from Standard 8C. Today I am presenting one instrumental song on occasion of Guru Purnima. Thank you.
Thank you, dear friend. Now, I would like to request Miss Bhakti Punjabi from Standard 5th to proceed the program. Thank you.
थैंक यू निहाल. करता करे न कर सके, गुरु करे सब होए, सात द्वीप नौ खंड में गुरु से बड़ा ना कोई. मैं तो सात समुद्र की मसी करूं, लेखनी सब बन रहा है, सब धरती कागज करूं, पर गुरु गुण लिखा ना जाए. With this beautiful slok, I would like to proceed this event. Now let me invite Master Shaurya to express his views on Guru Purnima.
Good morning to one and all present here, to all respected principal, all teachers and my dear friends. Myself, Shaurya Jitendra Patil from St. Mary English Medium High School, class 6A. Today is a special occasion, Guru Purnima. Before I start my speech, I want to salute all the Gurus. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parar Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Guru is creator Brahma, Guru is preserver Vishnu, Guru is destroyer Shiva, Guru is a source of absolute. I offer salutation to all the Gurus. Guru Purnima is celebrated at full moon day of Ashad month. It is celebrated in the memory of great sage Vyas, the great ancient son who has compiled 4 Vedas and 18 Puranas and books like Mahabharata and Srimad Bhagavad. We all remember our Guru, isn't it? Since we are born, parents are our Guru. They teach us basic life needs and values. Then teachers become our Guru. They teach us educational knowledge. Someone who teaches us something is our Guru. Dhanamulam Guru Murti, Puja Moolam Guru Padam, Mantramulam Guru Vakyam, Mokshamulam Guru Kripa. त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव बंधु सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविण त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव. Sends of salute to all my Guru. Thank you for listening my few words and have a nice day. Thank you. Happy Guru Purnima.
Shaurya. It was such a beautiful explanation. Now, students of our school would like to show their gratitude towards our gurus with their beautiful thoughts. So let's welcome them.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरु है नमः. Happy Guru Purnima to all my teachers. Thank you.
Guru Purnima is tradition dedicated to all my guru. The words guru is combination of two Sanskrit words. Gu means darkness and Ru means someone who remove darkness. Guru has very important place in our life. Once again, thank you to all my guru in our life. Greeting card.
Hi, myself Sagnik Sandeep Saranke. Happy Guru Purnima to all respected teachers and sisters.
Very happy Guru Purnima to all my respected sisters and teachers. Happy Guru Purnima to my respected teacher. Thank you. Teacher, happy Guru Purnima. See my greeting. Thank you. Happy Guru Purnima to my all teachers.
Happy Guru Purnima to all respected teachers from Ayah Judari 4th Standard B. Thank you.
Guru Purnima is famous festival of Hindus and Buddhists. Hindus dedicate this festival to Sun Vyas. Buddhists dedicate this festival to Lord Buddha. It is celebrated on the full Monday in the month of Ashad. This day is celebrated to honor the teachers in our life. Thank you. Thank you, respected teacher and my dear and principal and my dear parents. Thank you for giving me lots of knowledge. Guru Purnima is a traditional festival which is celebrated throughout the India with a great zeal by Hindus and Buddhists. Gurus also play an important role in our life. Guru can be anyone who take an effort to push us on and success road. Guru Purnima is a day which relieve a connection between a teacher and guru. At last, I would like to wish you a very happy Guru Purnima. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.
I am Mohit Mahendra Patil in 3rd standard. Happy Guru Purnima, all the teachers.
Teacher is like candles who spend whole life in giving lights to many students. Wish you joy and happiness. You are the best teacher in the world. Best teacher teach from the heart, not from the book. This is small gift for you. Once again, Happy Guru Purnima.
See my greeting card of Guru Purnima.
motivation, Guru is inspiration, Guru is everything. May Guru's blessings always shower on us. Now let's welcome our little friends with their greeting cards.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः खुशियाँ हैं बाहें फैलाए आशाओं के बादल छाए कोई उमंग है ये जिंदगी रे
एक धरती का आंचल ओढ़े दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे
प्रीत की रीत सिखाते हुए झिलमिलाते हैं पर्दों पे हम
दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए आ जाओ मिलके हम तुम ये कहें गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
Thank you, dear friends. Now I would like to hand over this platform to Miss Mokshada Mahajan. Thank you very much.
Thank you, dear Bhakti. The principal of our school has been always role model for us. Dear sister, you manage us to take on the challenges of the life with the lion's heart. So now, I request Reverend Principal Sister Linia to say a few words on this occasion.
The most wonderful day to all. Today, I am here to discuss about Guru Purnima, a prominent festival. Guru Purnima is a spiritual day and there is a difference between Guru and teacher. A Guru is someone who teaches life's lessons and leads us to a path of glory. A teacher is someone who teaches us reading and writing knowledge. In the same way, there are three types of students for every teacher or Guru. There are the student, the disciple and the devotee. The student is the one who wants to have the knowledge the Guru is having and is always in his self-control. The disciple is the one who wants to learn the morals of the Guru and wants to stay true to his rights, avoiding the wrongs. A devotee is, however, the one who dedicates himself to worship the Guru and believe him to lead the devotee to any path the Guru wants. We are all the devotees of God, so we can assume that God is the main Guru. Gurus are real people in our life who give motivation to us so we can challenge ourselves and get back up again. No Guru will help the student in their goals, but a real Guru will stay with the student and motivate him to reach the goal. They show the direction towards your goal and they will be a guide until you reach your goal. Parents are the first Gurus who teach us love and passion from childhood. They are our childhood Gurus and guide us through a safe path so that we can reach our goals. The second Gurus are our school teachers who define our societal and cultural beliefs. Without teachers, we would not know about maths, science, history, or any of these subjects that are vital for a good societal knowledge. Teachers help shape our morals going into future. So, we must respect and show our love and care towards our teachers and the parents. So, happy Guru Purnima to all. Thank you.
Thank you, dear sister, for your words. Gurur Vande Matrurupam, Gurur Vande Pitrurupam, Gurur Vande Karunamayam, Gurur Vande Sunyanamayam. On this occasion, I would like to extend my gratitude. Respected Gurus, it would be an impossible journey to walk in the dark without your steady support. I salute these masters of my destiny and the sculptors of the masterpiece. Now, I would like to wish and thank all my dear Gurus with this beautiful video.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. इस जीवन में पढ़ना लिखना हमको सिखाई है। अनसुलझे सवालों को पल में सुलझाई है। डांटे या डराए हमको आंखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से। डांटे या डराए हमको आंखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। We love you, teachers.
My heart is filled with gratitude. Dear teachers, I pray for your good health. Now, I call upon my friend Miss Akansha Gopal from Standard 7 to deliver a vote of thanks.
I am Akanksha Lalchandra Gopal from Standard 6th B. A warm and grateful morning to our school principal Reverend Sister Selenia, Vice Principal Reverend Sister Cincy, Local Manager Reverend Mother Archana, Babyland Principal Reverend Sister Raphael, and all my respected loving Guru and dear friends. Wish you a happy Guru Purnima to all respected teachers. On this special occasion, it gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this event. My heartfelt thanks to our Principal Reverend Sister Lenia for her words of encouragement. Her able guidance has always encouraged us. Next, we are grateful thanks to our Vice Principal Reverend Sister Cincy, Local Manager Reverend Mother Archana, Babyland Principal Reverend Sister Raphael for their kindness, interest, hospitality and continued support. I recall the efforts of respected teachers. Your days of hard work did bear much fruit today. Thank you from all the bottom of my heart. I express great thanks to all program participants for this feast of entertainment. On this note, I would like to conclude my thanks by making this event a memorable day for us. Once again, Happy Guru Purnima to all respected teachers. Thank you and have a glorious day.
Thank you, dear Akansha. Here I conclude the program. Once again, I wish you a happy Guru Purnima. Thank you and have a good day.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा।